this video, I tell you about Opinion Digital Writing, the Google Slides way, perceive writing and digital compatible with the Google Classroom. So first of all, for things social is attributed to the hook, opinion, reason and sporting details in a persuasive essays, also called opinion writing, as the element of a plot is a narrative. Sentence structure, vocabulary, spelling, and punctuation, in addition to the fear of the writing, make up the other half of the scoring. So, citing a child for a more or less 50% success rate by intentionally focus on the structural element of the writing genre is quite forthcoming. It is interesting to note that the writing for the brilliant become less immediate, and it is integrated with the technology and based on the theme. Makes a sense, does not it? Consider that the most students love learning that involves digital devices and moreover a topic that can relate to it. The persuasive opinion writing able in a Google site featuring sample text with an Earth Day theme target just that. All you need is a Google Drive account and you can assign these resources to your student via Google Classroom or any other safe online learning platform. I will also project that the lesson in Zoom by simple sharing my screen and walking student through the scaffold step outline in each section of the writing lesson. The versatility of the working and a writing lesson in a Google slide is that it will be a combination of a presentation and interactive slides that involve typing, clicking and dragging to order a track. So for instance, a slide detailing information can be presented by a trailing view. So these are the slides. Riding your bike protect the environment. In many opinion, students who live close by must ride their bike to school. And the perceived writing. So color coding in a Google slide is an effective visual, and here student can color code the entire text, thereby further assimilating information on the structural components of the persuasive opinion essay. The material text in this resource is editable, which makes this possible. The constructive questions are editable too, giving the teacher flexibility to change spelling or content. The graphic organizers are a powerful tool to guide writing, and this helps students to keep their writing on a track and adhering to structure. That I mentioned early is job half done. And finally, after your student have a plan their writing using the graphic organizer, they are ready to write their perceived pieces. The checklist on the writing in the site below will be greater reference tool as they write. Best of all, this is a digital resources. Student type the perfect outlet for the student who are writing writers. On a side one, if you use the resources your student, I will be thankful. Tag me on the Instagram. So this is all about the perceived writing, and I show you the all the things of this. Thank you so much.